He's not gonna come out either.
No, I know. But he will after he explores it.
For the record, this cat got in here on his own. Oh, look at you. You saying it's not gonna? He's not gonna shed? Look at him. Look at that.
He's rubbing his back.
This is a suitcase full
Put
of
that on your clothes.
freshly cleaned laundry. Look at. He's gonna swat my hand too.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa! God.
Yeah, don't do that. Yeah, he will kill you. Pretend you're the mouse.
This is a homemade cat video, Kiri. You should appreciate this.
Where's your kitty? Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Maddie. Seriously? How am I supposed to get him out of here?
Unzip the bag. Watch your
Ah!
hand. Watch your hand.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
He is such an asshole.
Look out, Maddie. Look out.
Ah! Teddy! Oh
Teddy
my
has
god.
no idea. He doesn't even know he's in there. Teddy, look out.
I hate this
Dude.
cat. I hate this cat.
I know. Look out.
Oh
Don't
my
touch
God.
that. I'll get it because I'm on the right side.
Yeah, get him on that side. Over near his face. Well, he might
That's where his
bite.
teeth are. Are you kidding?
He's gonna bite you with his teeth.
That's fine.
Excuse me. I love how you're like, don't worry, I'll get him. You walk away.
I am gonna get it. With a tool. Maddie, look out. See, look at this. Look out. Maddie, look out. The kitty's in there.
It's a good thing I don't have to catch a train right now. Look at
You taking a video? Kitty, 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 kitty.
Mom, just Mother,
Kitty.
pull towards the
Trying to get
zipper.
this.
You're just aggravating.
No, I'm not. Look, I'm getting it. Kitty, kitty, kitty. He loves this. This is so much fun. Ooh, kitty. Look at him. There's only one.
Oh my
Look at-
god, he is
Wow,
such a
crazy.
beast.
Kitty, kitty,
Look at
kitty, kitty, kitty.
the thing he's sitting on too is a white blouse. I mean, this. Are you kidding me? I just washed all of these clothes. You are such a little jerk.
There, we found you.
Okay.
Oh, actually, look, his party's over. Oh, look out, Maddie, look out. Kill the cat.
Oh Lord.
That's the one he wants. Here's one you can get in, right? This is okay. You're not taking this one.